all the jammers of the world. I want to try this one experiment. I saw Smosh do everything. And so I want to try the experiment too with these balloons, and it makes your voice higher. So I want to try it out because I think it would be real cool. So let me try. Is my voice different? Yeah, I don't know. Is it different now? Is it just I don't know what's I have no effect to this. I don't know if it's high or not. Let me try more. Okay, I'm done. So if you guys if it did get high, say let me see. Awesome 43 child. There. Say this in the comments if you watch my videos. This. Look at this and this. Say it. If it got high or not. I don't know for sure. Please like and subscribe. And I'm out. Bye.